Hey, what's up everybody? I'm just packing up the 4Runner, getting ready for my trip to Little Finland with a friend. It's about an hour and a half away in the Gold Butte area, hour and a half away from Vegas. We're hoping for some really good night photography today, or tonight. There should be little to no moon in the sky, so that should really help us out with the night shots. And just going to pack up the 4Runner here, get some more supplies, some groceries, and we'll hang out a little bit later.
Cold bones.
Just got to Gold Butte National Monument. We're off-road right now. The road's kind of corrugated, so I'm airing down the tires down to 20 psi just to make it more comfy for us.
Cold bones. Yeah, that's my love. She hides away like a ghost. Ooh, does she know that we bleed the same? Ooh, don't wanna cry, but I'll break that way.
After being about 10 miles off course and confiding with some campers in the area, we were finally making our way. Alright, we just got here. We finally found the location. It took us a lot longer than we thought it would. We are here in Little Finland, just grabbing my gear and all the necessities. Tripod, couple cameras, my camera bag, and of course we have to load in obvious necessities like beer. Put that in the camera bag.
Cold sheets.
Wow, this just glows.
Oh, where's my
This
love?
white stuff.
I am searching high,
Oh, this is
searching
it.
low
Be careful, dude.
in the night. Ooh, does she know that we bleed the same?
50-foot cliff destroyed by people walking on it, you know? Look at that one.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of opportunity on here. Look at these. This little section. Oh man, look at this one right in front. Dude, this is what I'm gonna shoot. Look at that. Hopefully I can get the Milky Way in there. Crazy formations.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Look at all those layers.
I think I found what I want to shoot. Barter would like different gel filters because like you can get like different shadows, you know what I mean?
Oh, dude, that's great.
You know what I mean?
That's a really good one.
Be careful, dude. You're getting hella close to the edge. Oh, dude, be careful, man.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yeah, you definitely don't want to step on that.
Yeah, just be careful, man.
I mean, yeah, I don't want to destroy it.
Be careful on the right side though, man. It's like we're like super close. I mean,
Yeah.
this shit's gonna eventually not be here.
I wonder how long it's been here. A long time.
Oh, man. Probably top.
So, we don't have the Milky Way. It's really high in the sky right now. So what I'm going to do is some creative lighting. I have my camera on the tripod here. I'll be at 30-second exposure at ISO 4000 at f4. And I'm going to do a long exposure and kind of paint the rocks with this red light feature that my headlamp has. Okay, I want to try some speedlight backlit images with the rock formation. So I'm using my Canon wireless system tripod right here set up. We got the camera there, and down the scene we have the speedlight set up over here. Right there. So let's experiment with it a little bit and see what we can create.
Don't wanna cry, but I break that way. Did she run away? Did she run away? I don't know.
Wow, it really took me a while playing around with this scene. I think ultimately I really like the red light and the speed light combined. Alright, I got my camera on a tripod with my 17 to 40 millimeter lens at 17 millimeters. I focus the camera on the subject with a bright flashlight since it's pitch black out here. Then I switch the lens to manual focus. That way the focus doesn't go off or anything when I begin the exposure. And I have my speed light right behind the subject so it's backlit and creates a nice outline. And let me show you. So you can see that's my setup right here. Camera is super close to the subject, and I got the flash right behind it. So that way, when I take the exposure, when I take the shot, it'll create a nice outline around the subject. Alright, we decided to take a little break from shooting, but we're doing a couple time lapses, and we're just kind of cooking out right now.
That's north. That's west. That's east. So the sun's gonna be rising from this side.
If she ran away, if she ran away, come back home. Just come home.
Good morning, everybody. Sorry about last night. Unfortunately, the clouds didn't really clear up, so we couldn't see the Milky Way. But I think we might come back to this location in a couple months just for the night shots and Milky Way photos. But we did manage to get a few pretty good nighttime shots with different types of lighting that we put into the photography. But just gonna fly the drone around right now, so enjoy this footage and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to join me on my next adventure. Thanks again.
Cold bones, yeah, that's my love. She hides away like a ghost. Ooh, does she know that we bleed the same? Cold sheets, oh, where's my love? I am searching high, I'm searching low in the night. Ooh, does she know that we bleed the same? Ooh, don't wanna cry, but I break that way. Did she run away? Did she run away? I don't know. If she ran away, if she ran away, come back home. Just come home. I got a fear, oh, in my blood. She was carried up into the clouds high above. Ooh, if you bled, I'll bleed the same. Ooh, if you're scared, I'm on my way. Did you run away? Did you run away? I don't need to know. But if you ran away, if you ran away, come back home. Just come home.